So guys, in this video, I'll be giving you the measurement of the foam board, the mirror, the pattern, and everything you guys need in order to complete this project. Now this is the mirror that I used in this project. It's the black frame mirror from the Dollar Tree. And if you guys do not have this or you all cannot find it, I'll give you the measurements of what the mirror is so that you could use it on the project, because this project is specifically geared to this size mirror and this size poster board. Now the poster board is 30 inches by 20 inches. Now the mirror is a little more than 10.5 inches, just one notch past the 10.5 inch mark by 8.25 inches. Now that's the measurement you would need for this design. So the first thing we'll do when we print out our pattern is cut off the edges that we don't need. Now once we cut our pattern, we'll glue the side B's together, just like this. Now once you have your side A and B, you could start drawing out the design. So you center your mirror and side B goes on the long side. So you want to make sure that the pieces fit the same way on all sides before we start drawing. And one thing that would give you an idea if you have it right, the design starts basically at the tip of the mirror and goes to the center. And you could check that out and make sure that that's right by making a tiny little mark on your piece. And I'll do that on this as well, and then flipping it over and then checking to see that it's off by a bit. So that means I have to take this a little bit further out, just maybe like this. So you guys keep flipping it and playing around until you get it exactly right in the middle. And the more precise that you get this lining up process, it makes your project come out much more beautiful. So you want to make sure and line up the design right and then sketch over the top of it. So guys, I placed these markings here to represent the flowers that I glued on to the diamond wrap. Now each one of the circles represent one of the flower on the flower mesh shape wrap. So this would give you an idea how much flowers I used after I was finished putting on the diamond wrap. Now it also has the markings here for the long ones. So guys, this is how we put these pieces together, and the link is in the description down below. Now this is the diamond wrap I used in the video. And this is the diamond wrap that comes from the Dollar Tree. And as you could see, they are the same size. And now I'm going to show you how I cut the strings of the diamond wrap. And as you could see, there's two lines here between the diamond wrap, and that stops it from being able to curve around and make the curves. So what we want to do is cut one of the line, and now as you could see, it's flexible and it could bend, and we want to do that for a few of them. And we want to just have that on hand so that we could use it later on around the curves. Now I've realized on some of the projects later on that if it's not too much of a deep curve, you could use the straight part so that you don't have to cut much of these. But you want to cut some of these and have it there at hand in advance, and then use it right around the curve sections. So you cut one side and you leave the other side attached. I'm hoping that you could see that. And now that makes it able to curve around like this. Now it could curve as much as you want it to be. Now versus the straight piece that the two strings are connected, as you could see, that cannot curve. It makes a buckle like this. It doesn't curve nice and flat like that. So that just helps it curve around so that you could go around any kind of corners. So I hope that helps. Let me know in the description down below if this helps you. Now guys, a bunch of you all ask how many rolls of diamond wrap that it took to do this project. And guys, I honestly do not know. because I used up all the spare pieces of diamond wrap I had just laying around. And then I also used some from this large roll of diamond wrap that I ordered from on Amazon. And guys, if any one of you all do the project and you all use the Dollar Tree rolls, then come back and tell me and leave it in the comment section down below how much rolls of diamond wrap it took to do that, so that I could let everyone else know. Now guys, I strongly recommend you all maybe try getting the big roll of diamond wrap, because even if you all use the small roll of diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree, it may need about 6 or 7 or 8, I have no idea, but this would almost be about the same amount price wise, but you would have so much more diamond wrap remaining for other projects. So I recommend that you guys try picking up the big roll of diamond wrap, because we'll be doing much more projects with it in the future as well. So guys, that's all I have to say right now for this, and I hope that it helps you guys. Bye for now, and see you guys in the next one.